A mesmerizing morning aarti was performed at the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, UP, drawing thousands of devotees to the sacred confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna and Maithikal Saraswati rivers. As the first rays of sunlight touched the holy waters, the priests and devotees gathered on the ghats, chanting sacred hymns and offering praise to the divine. The atmosphere was filled with spiritual energy, enhanced by the fragrance of incense, the sound of bell rings, and the sight of thousands of oil lamps floating on the river. This ritual, held at the auspicious site, not only marks the spiritual significance of the confluence, but also serves as a visual reminder of the deep cultural heritage of India.